Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Rounding numbers to a specific number of decimal places is a common task in programming, and Python provides built-in functions to handle this efficiently. Here's a tutorial on how to round numbers to 3 decimal places in Python. The round function is a built-in Python function that allows you to round a number to a specified number of digits. To round a number to 3 decimal places, you can use round number 3. Output. Python's string formatting capabilities allow you to control the precision of floating point numbers. You can use the :.3f. format number syntax to round a number to 3 decimal places. Output. The decimal module in Python provides more precise arithmetic operations compared to the built-in floating point arithmetic. You can use it to round numbers to a specified number of decimal places. Output. These methods provide different ways to round numbers to 3 decimal places in Python. Choose the one that best fits your specific requirements and coding style. ChatGPT.